going on. So to do this, so to build the user front end, we decided to use HTML5. HTML5 gives you a good experience with building web applications, a good platform for building mobile applications. I'm sorry. And so that's the application we decided to build. And to talk about the architecture we chose slightly, this is the client side. At the top we have the client side architecture. This is largely built around backbone.js, which provides a simple MVC framework to use on the client side. So first of all, a request comes in with a URL, and we use the fragment of the URL after the hash in order to make a decision about which view to render. So I should say as well, this is a single page application. We don't have multiple views. We're loading one page. All the JavaScript, all the views get loaded onto that single page, and then we can select based on that. We use the MVC framework in order to display the correct thing to the user. So in comes the request. The fragment of the URL is used to select the action to call. The action then selects the view to render. The action might also make an update to the model, and the view will communicate with the model using an events system. And the view, of course, then goes off and renders out the actual view to the DOM on the browser side. Now, so that's what's happening in the client. And on the server, we need to have obviously have some interaction with the server. This is where our database is running, and this is where the coordination between clients will happen. So actions can call into the REST service that we're using. So that could be an action like book a ticket. And also the model, which obviously represents all of the entities we have on the server side, are also represented in models on the client side. As the model is updated on the client side, this can be communicated to the REST service on the